Welcome to Battle of the Best. The Best European Wax Center is probably one of the most sought-after destinations for those seeking smooth, hair-free skin, offering a professional and comfortable waxing experience that aims to leave you feeling confident and refreshed. Whether you're a first-timer or a seasoned regular, their specialized techniques and trained estheticians work to minimize discomfort and maximize results, making it a go-to choice for various waxing needs, from eyebrows to full-body treatments. It's a place where personal grooming meets a touch of pampering, ensuring you leave with impeccably smooth skin and a renewed sense of self-care. Number 5. 10 Skin Solution for Razor Bumps and Ingrown Hair. Are you tired of dealing with unsightly razor bumps and ingrown hairs? 10 Skin Solution is here to help you achieve smoother, clearer skin after shaving or waxing. This powerful formula works to calm and soothe your skin immediately after shaving or waxing. It effectively reduces redness and irritation, leaving your skin feeling comfortable. It's designed to prevent and treat ingrown hairs, ensuring a much more pleasant grooming experience. Get ready to reveal smoother skin with consistent use. Beyond its primary benefits, it also acts as a deodorant, offering a dual-action solution for your daily routine. Experience the convenience of multi-purpose care. Proudly made in the USA, you can trust the quality and effectiveness of this solution. Invest in your skin's health and comfort with this proven formula. What we like. This solution is designed to tackle those annoying razor bumps and ingrown hairs. If you frequently experience irritation after shaving or waxing, this is your go-to. It helps to calm the skin and prevent future issues, making it ideal for anyone seeking a smoother post-hair removal experience. What people say. The staff is very professional and knowledgeable. The salon is clean and well-maintained. The waxing services are efficient and relatively painless. Number 4. Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Bum Cream. Experience the irresistible Coarse 62 scent. It's a fragrance that will transport you to the beaches of Brazil. This rich cream is designed to visibly firm your skin. Achieve a smoother, more toned appearance with every application. It's formulated with powerful Brazilian ingredients known for their skin-loving benefits. Get ready for a truly luxurious body care experience. Indulge your skin with its creamy texture that melts in beautifully. It leaves your body feeling incredibly soft and nourished. Make it a part of your daily routine for radiant, touchable skin. You'll love how it makes you feel. This is more than just a body cream, it's an invitation to self-care. Treat yourself to the ultimate pampering experience. What we like. Experience a luxurious body cream that not only hydrates but also visibly firms your skin. Its signature, addictive scent will transport your senses. If you're looking for a product that makes your skin feel incredibly soft, smooth, and smell amazing, this is the one for you. What people say. The wax itself is gentle and effective, leaving skin smooth without irritation. The estheticians are highly trained and provide a comfortable waxing experience. The salon is clean and well-maintained, creating a professional and relaxing atmosphere. Number 3. Dylonic Exfoliating Body Scrub Razor Bump Brush. Say goodbye to the frustration of razor bumps and ingrown hairs. Our exfoliating brush is designed to tackle these common skin concerns effectively. Achieve smoother, clearer skin with this powerful exfoliator. It's your secret weapon against shaving irritation and uneven skin texture. Whether it's your legs, armpits, or bikini line, this tool is gentle yet effective. Get ready for a flawless finish every time you shave. Tired of the appearance of strawberry legs? This exfoliator helps refine your skin's surface, leaving it looking smooth and radiant. Experience a deep clean without harshness. Its unique design works like a scrubber and loofah to gently remove dead skin cells. Make this your essential step for post-shave care. It ensures your skin remains comfortable and looks its best, free from irritation. What we like. This exfoliating scrub is your secret weapon against rough skin and pesky ingrown hairs. It's perfect for targeting strawberry legs and irritation in sensitive areas like the bikini line and underarms. If you desire smoother, clearer skin after shaving or waxing, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The staff was very friendly and professional. The salon was clean and well-maintained. The waxing services were quick and efficient. Number 2. Tress Wellness Award-winning Waxing Kit. Introducing the award-winning waxing kit designed for your sensitive skin. Achieve salon-quality results in the comfort of your own home. This versatile kit is safe for use on your face, bikini area, and even for a full-body wax. Enjoy smooth skin everywhere you need it. Forget expensive salon appointments. This easy-to-use at-home kit provides a convenient and effective hair removal solution. The intuitive digital display ensures you have precise control over the waxing temperature. Get the perfect warmth every time for optimal results. We understand the need for gentle care. That's why this kit is specifically formulated to be safe and effective for sensitive skin types. Experience effortless hair removal and enjoy long-lasting smoothness. It's the perfect solution for maintaining flawless skin at home. What we like. Achieve professional waxing results in the comfort of your own home with this kit. It's specifically formulated to be gentle, making it suitable for sensitive skin and delicate areas like the face and bikini line. If you're new to waxing or have sensitive skin and want a safe, easy-to-use option, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The wax itself is great, it smells good and it is easy to use. It is a great product for sensitive skin, it does not cause any irritation. The packaging is also very convenient, it is easy to store and travel with. Number 1. KoluaWax Hard Wax Beads, Coarse Hair Formula. Introducing our powerful hard wax beads, specially formulated to effectively remove coarse hair. Say goodbye to stubborn regrowth and hello to smooth skin. This formula is perfect for a variety of areas, including your face, Brazilian, underarms, and even larger areas like your back and chest. Achieve salon-quality results at home. Enjoy a refreshing experience with our unique sea salt and surf scent. It makes your hair removal routine feel more like a spa treatment. Our convenient 1-pound refill bag ensures you have enough product for multiple waxing sessions. It's designed to work seamlessly with your wax warmers. We've also included 10 large applicator sticks to make the waxing process even easier. Get precise application every time for optimal results. Experience smooth, hair-free skin that lasts. This hard wax is designed for effective and efficient hair removal, leaving your skin feeling soft and rejuvenated. What we like. This hard wax is formulated to effectively remove even the coarsest hair, making it perfect for challenging areas like Brazilians, underarms, and beards. If you have stubborn hair and are looking for a powerful yet reliable waxing solution for at-home use, this bulk refill is a great value. What people say. The staff was very friendly and professional. The salon was clean and well-maintained. The waxing services were quick and efficient. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.